All right, in this video, we're going to show our Slack integration and how you can use your checklists right from within Slack. So to get started, we're going to type templates. That will show us all the checklists we have in our system. So we're going to start the employee orientation checklist. Now we can edit the run, name. So we're going to put the person who we're going through this employee orientation process with. That's Sally Jones. We can also set the due date. And when setting the due date, we can use standard English sentences like 5 days from now, 2 hours, things like that. We can also assign team members. So we're going to include Mark in this checklist run. And you'll see that we have 5 days from now is the due date. Sally Jones is the title. So let's get started. When we click Show Steps, it will show us the steps of the checklist as well as all the information that we entered before. We've got the participants. It's due in 5 days. So let's get started. For each step, we have a complete button. Clicking the complete button will complete that step. So there you have it. The W4 step is completed. Show more steps will show the steps of the checklist. Each checklist step has a More Actions button, and that's used if we want to add a comment, which we're going to do here. So we're going to mention Mark, and what that will do is he'll receive a notification based on that mention. We can also assign steps. There's that comment. So we're going to assign this step to Mark. So we just use his handle, Mark, and there you go. It's assigned to Mark, and you can see the comment that we made previously. So we'll go back to the checklist showing the steps, and we can work through the entire checklist in that way. Each checklist title has a link, and that will link out to Manifestly. The other main commands in Manifestly, which we can get by using the help command, templates show all the checklist templates, checklists show all the checklist runs currently being worked on, assignments is our assignments, and departments is any departments that our account might use. We can also easily give feedback by using the feedback command. And we can just type our feedback. And when we submit it, that will go right to the Manifestly support team, and they'll get back to you immediately. And there you go. So that's an intro to Manifestly Slack integration.